What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProDentim before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProDentim works. Is ProDentim? ProDentim is a natural oral health supplement that is said to impart many benefits. It restores healthy gum, offers tooth enamel protection and tooth sensitivity relief, and a lot more. This formula is made using potent ingredients that are clinically proven to be effective in supporting healthy teeth and gums. This oral hygiene support is manufactured within strict and sterile facilities that are registered with the FDA and compliant with GMP guidelines. ProDentim probiotic supplement is free from toxins and harmful ingredients like stimulants, GMOs, etc. It is also free from gluten. This non-habit-forming formula is developed as soft and chewable tablets. A single bottle contains 30 soft tablets that will last for a month of use. Does ProDentim dental care formula work? ProDentim works by supporting the oral microbiome. A breakthrough study revealed that people who have healthy and good teeth have a high population of good bacteria in their mouths with all the harmful ingredients that are included in toothpastes and mouthwashes. These toxins will kill off the good bacteria, which paves the way for a thriving environment for bad bacteria to wreak havoc in your teeth and gum, causing you pain and discomfort. This dental care supplement is designed to tackle this root cause and support a healthy population of good bacteria. The ProDentim ingredients are scientifically proven to be effective in improving the oral flora. In addition to supporting optimal levels of good bacteria in your mouth, the potent constituents of this formula will also support healthy teeth and gums and enhance your overall well-being. Of each ProDentim ingredient, let's explore the remarkable ProDentim ingredients that make this oral care supplement a game-changer in the pursuit of a healthier, happier smile. Lactobacillus reuteri. Studies have shown that this bacteria can help with reducing the population of bad bacteria in your mouth that is responsible for tooth decay and gum disease. It produces antimicrobial substances that can protect the teeth from harmful bacteria. Inulin. Inulin is a potent prebiotic and it supports the population of good bacteria in your mouth. Studies reveal that this fiber helps with improving the health of your teeth, gums as well as the gut. Malic acid. Malic acid is said to help with improving the discoloration of teeth. This ProDentim ingredient also helps with dry mouth sensation. Tricalcium phosphate. Tricalcium phosphate helps with the remineralization of teeth, which is significant when it comes to tooth enamel protection. It is readily absorbed by the body, making it an effective ingredient in supplements. Peppermint. The antibacterial properties of peppermint will help fight bad bacteria and prevent plaque buildup. It also supports fresh breath as well as soothes teeth and gums with its cooling effects.